of their deliberations.
Sure. Anytime you have a second-degree murder case, it's an emotional case for both sides. I feel for the families on both sides of the case, but we're very pleased. We think a just outcome came.
Yeah. Were you surprised at the quickness of the verdict?
You know, I never know what's going to happen back there. I thought it was a pretty straightforward case. I thought the evidence really supported us, so part of me is not surprised, but you know, it's not an easy job for the jury to do, and sometimes it just takes them longer.
How do you feel about their decision, though? I mean, you worked really hard on this case, and you can see that emotion coming through from you yourself. You
Sure.
put heart and soul into something like this.
Yeah, it's like I said, it's an emotional case. The family's been wonderful, and they've been here the whole time, so you feel the case with them. I mean, I felt what they felt, and so that's why it was important for me to introduce Mr. McFarlan to the jury, because I felt like I was part of that family.
Do you think justice has been served?
I think justice has been served, yes.
Yeah. In terms of the voluntary manslaughter, you obviously didn't want that on the table, but it was. I mean, what message would that have sent if this guy was convicted of the lesser offense?
And that's why I didn't want it on the table. I think that just because someone gets angry in a road rage incident doesn't justify assaulting and killing a man. And so I didn't think it was an instruction that was warranted here. I didn't think there was any evidence to suggest it. I understood why the defense did it, and they did an excellent job. But I think if they came back with involuntary manslaughter, the excuse for people would be, we can handle these situations violently, and it shouldn't be that message. The message should be, we all peaceful people living here in Grand Rapids, and we should be taking care of each other.